Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. This morning I was teaching a group of students who are based in Krasnoyarsk in Siberia. And over the weekend they experienced some quite extreme weather. Apparently it dropped down to around -40 for a couple of days. And now it's back up to what they described as a quite warm -20. As they were describing the experience of living somewhere where the weather gets like this, some of them were complaining about the roads and saying that the roads are really dangerous at the moment because the ice freezes and forms these great big mounds in the middle of the road, and when you drive over them it's very bumpy. On top of this, because of all the ice, the roads are really slippery. Sometimes cars skid off the road or they skid into the cars in front of them. As they were telling me about all of this, I was listening, feeling quite glad I don't have to drive on roads like this, and I responded by saying, "Whoa, the roads sound really treacherous." If you describe roads or driving conditions as really treacherous, you mean they're dangerous, particularly because the danger isn't always immediately obvious. In the same way, we can talk about water being treacherous if it's dangerous in ways that aren't always immediately obvious. Maybe, for example, the sea looks very calm, but there's a strong undercurrent which pulls people under. You can have treacherous weather, a treacherous path, or a treacherous journey. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about your own experience of treacherous roads or treacherous journeys.